beef bone soup. That's the kind of soup I'm making there. It's made from beef and bones of beef. Why was I making that soup? It's because beef bone soup can give extra energy and help people who have colds to recover faster. Hubby was sick that time. Whenever I make soups, I always have lots of veggies. The white ones there would be garlic. I didn't have onions that time. The red ones would be potatoes. Orange would be carrots. Green ones would be celery stalks. Why did I have all these veggies? Because they are fiber rich. I usually cut the meat into big cubes or rectangular pieces because they would be cooked long and they will shrink. I usually cut the carrots that way, bigger chunks, and the potatoes, I don't slice them. Whenever I'm making something, I always try to make use of the ingredients that I have at home. That time I had ginger, so I had to cut the ginger into pieces. I also had leeks, so I thought, yeah, why not? Cut them into big pieces. And then those are the celery stems. It said that they're good at cleansing kidneys. There's also celery root there. Cooking the soup for me always begins with sauteing the ingredients. I usually saute the garlic and the ginger together. And then when they're both brownish, I put in the meat. I usually use high heat when browning the meat. I've noticed that it helps the juices to seep out of the meat chunks faster. After browning the meat, I usually lower the temperature. It's because I've noticed that beef chunks, the beef meat would become more tender if I use lower heat rather than high heat. When I see natural fat coming out of the meat chunks, I usually start to add water. And then the veggies, of course. Remember to hit that subscribe button to join me in my cooking journeys. Bye for now. This soup has lots of natural collagen. It also has lots of veggies. So, bon appetit!